Welcome sa aking pang-78 laro ngayong Season 41. Ang tanong, aakyat ba tayo ngayon o babagsak? Alamin natin sa laban na ito. Let's go!
Rest for now. Initiate retreat. Press on. Okay. Not ready. Rocket hammer. Good game. The Numenon 4 pulses by Numenon Blast! Slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Don't worry, my friend. Rocket hammer! Unstoppable! Turtle Slayer! Press on! Slain. Numenon Blast! You have slain an... Killing spree! You won't... The Numenon 4 pulses vibrantly like a hazard. Just like steel seconds in the fire has been slain. Your team destroyed the target. Has been slain. Rocket hammer! Your team destroyed a turret.
That was amazing damage! That was amazing!
Your team destroyed a turret. Triple rocket hammer! Maniac!
Great play!
Victory!
At kung gusto nyong samahan ako sa buong Season 41 journey na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, follow at subscribe. Tandaan, bawat rank game ay i-upload ko, panalo man o talo. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na laban.